Hey, what's going on, guys? Dennard Mitchell here, Mr. Next Level, helping you reach your next level. Hey, on today's series of behind the scenes of a speaker, I want you all to see what takes place right before the presentation. I'm here at Miami Dade College, as you can see behind me. I'm in the meeting space room. We're getting ready to have a workshop with a few of the classes here. This is an event that I've been doing now for 3 years. They've been bringing me in to do some leadership workshops with the students that are here. And I just wanted you guys to see what it's like. I try my best to get here at approximately an hour, at least an hour before the scheduled time. I like to get to the room early, as you can see, make sure that all the chairs are here, make sure that a table's at the front or a podium. I like to have a table, that way I can spread some things out, notes, my water bottle, different things that I'm using for my actual workshop. The tech guys, they will be here in a few minutes to lower the screens because they have the room in the back is locked. That's where all the technology is at, so I can get my laptop hooked up, obviously get mic'd up. I'm going to do a handheld mic. Some people prefer lapel. I personally like a wireless handheld, only because I get to control the volume. That's just a personal preference. But it's good to get here early and see exactly what they have. So I wanted you all to see what it's like. There go my coat. There we go. Yeah, it's waiting there for me. And I'll determine whether or not, based on once the students get in here, if it's going to be the older crowd or it's going to be the younger crowd, because I'm here at a local college. And the crowd, it fluctuates based on the time of the day it is, based on whether it's going to be like much older adults or much younger adults. So it doesn't matter, but I'm ready for the occasion. So if I need to put on my blazer, I'll throw on my blazer. If not, I'll just leave on my jeans with my shirt and we'll rock out and we'll have a great time. But I wanted you to see what it was like prior to the presentation. Everything is set up, computers there, camera, if you can see it, it's in the back so I can record it. And we're gonna have a great time. So I wanted you to see what it will look like behind the scenes of a speaker. I'm here at Miami Dade College and it's time to rock out. So guys, I'll shoot another video once I'm done or once the students come in so you can see what the atmosphere is like once they're here. But I wanted you to get a chance and just see what it's like. Once the tech gets set up, I'll go ahead and put some music on too to kind of get in my flow, get in my zone, kind of walk around the room, fill out the space, go over some of my main points, not the entire presentation, but some of my main points in my head that I really want to get across. And then the rest, I'm just going to let flow. And whatever happens, happens. But that's the reason for preparing and prepping. So, Dennard Mitchell here, Mr. Next Level, helping you reach your next level. Hope this was helpful for anybody interested in becoming a potential speaker or even someone that's speaking right now and want to see what it's like to be at a college right before it's time to give a presentation. Talk to you soon.